Hey everybody, this is Cinco, and as promised, I'm going to do a little unboxing. I just got my new Bitaxe Gamma from the guys over at Solo Satoshi. They're right here in the Houston area. I am in the Houston area as well, so I like to shop local if possible, and of course support small Bitcoin running businesses. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick unboxing, and I'm going to do a setup video later. I actually have two of these that I got. They both came in today, super quick shipping, so I'm really happy about that, considering the last one I ordered through Amazon obviously was coming from China, and it never arrived. I had to wait a month before I got my return on that. I took the return immediately, went over to solosatoshi.com and bought another one, and it arrived in a couple days. So really appreciate that. So I'm gonna start doing a little unboxing. As you can see here, it's wrapped really well. It does have good stuffing in there to make sure everything stays nice and safe. So I'm just gonna kind of go through this real quick, see what we got in here. Looks like this is some parts of the stand. Okay. I'm trying to do my best here with my phone, guys. I don't have my pro camera out. So this is kind of after work. Up there you go, Cinco doggos. You hear my dogs going because somebody's outside my house. So it's got the little wire holder on the back of it. So that's pretty neat. Got that. All right, logoed. Very good 3D printed item right there. I like that stamp. That's cool. And you can get the stackables as well, but I chose not to. I like to have them displayed. I have kind of a little display on my wall where I have all my solo miners. So yeah, you can do stackables if you want. I think in the future I'll do some stackables with that, save some space. It comes with your power supply. Okay, got the power supply there. I'm not a pro at this, guys. I'm not some like super duper YouTuber that is good at this. You're gonna hear my landscapers out there doing the lawn because it's a nice day here in sunny Tomball, Texas. There we go. Here's the important part. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at this. Oh, so excited for this. Look at that. All right, make sure I'm all grounded here. I don't want to zap anything. Okay, check this out. Look at that. Beautiful. Love it. Pristine. Sit that down right there. Let's see what else we got here. Some more wrapping, some cushion, my receipt. Oh, cool. Also the information I need for the Axe OS, so that way I can go in there and do my setup stuff. I'm just trying to, oops, sorry, there we go. Thank you for choosing Solo Satoshi, the #1 place for Bitcoin home mining. Powered by Texas, made in the USA. That's right. Love that. Absolutely love that. So there's that. And they also sent me some cool stickers, which of course are going to be going on the laptop that I use to monitor all of my little solo miners. And I'll probably find a business somewhere local, some bar or something, and slap one on the door, the bathroom or something. Give them some, that's a cool sticker. I like that. Give them some free advertising there. Bitcoin, a little slice of the Bitcoin pizza, and of course Bitaxe. That is really stinking awesome. I am so excited about this. So I will go ahead and let me see here if I can flip this. Nope. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a setup on this. I've got two of them, like I said, so I'll do a setup video on one of them. Once I do one I'll do one myself, so that way I can kind of practice it and make sure I have it done correctly. But yeah, I will get that done tonight, and hope you guys like what you see. Give the guys over at Solo Satoshi a like over on their X page, and if you need to buy something, do it, man. Those guys are great. The prices are fantastic. The shipping is super quick. And their customer service is top notch. I do have a referral code. I'm not doing this to shill for them. I'll put it in the notes of this post, so that way you guys can see that as well. If you want to purchase from them, I'm not saying you have to. You know, you can just go there and buy from them. I'm not doing this to like make a living. This is a hobby for me, so feel free to just go there. But if you want to kind of let them know that you saw this on my stream here, that would be great. Because I want them to let them know that we're locals or supporting them. But yeah, guys, check this out. Let's go try to hit a block, huh? Every home should have a solo miner. That's my little saying. Every home should have a solo miner. Have a good one, guys.